Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the submit info to access funds message in PayPal. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply come here on paypal.com. Afterwards, simply provide your login credentials and then log in into your account. Now, when you are inside your PayPal account, you just have to look for the message that would say submit info to access the funds. And then you just have to see what information PayPal is requesting you. Now, in most of the cases, PayPal may ask you to verify your identity, confirm your personal details, and upload a valid government issued ID. So you need to complete any of the pending verification requests before moving on. Also, you need to make sure that you go into the settings of your account and then you can look for the option of your email address and your phone number, whether these are verified or not. Now, if you are using a business account, PayPal may require some extra details about your business, like your business information, tax details, and any other supporting documents. So you need to also submit any of those requested information directly via the resolution center. So once that is done, you need to open the resolution center and check for any other open cases, any limitations or outstanding requests. If you see any of the action items, you just have to simply complete them as soon as possible since they can prevent access to your funds. So finally, after submitting everything, you need to allow PayPal some time to review your information. Once the review will be completed and approved, the notification will disappear and access to your funds will be restored. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.